Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Madhurima Bhaumik. Let's continue solving the question paper of IIT JAM Biotech. We are in question number 8. The question here is coenzyme A is a cofactor of vitamin. Options given are riboflavin, pyridoxine, folic acid, pantothenic acid. Now, first of all, we must have an idea about what are the cofactors. Now, cofactors are basically, in a simple way, if we tell, these are the helper molecule. Okay? It can be a metallic, ion also. Now, when these cofactors are derived from the vitamins, we call it as a coenzyme. So basically coenzymes are the cofactors which are derived from the vitamins. Okay. And they are helping the enzymes. So normally the enzyme remains in inactive form. Enzymes are protein in nature, we know that, and it will be catalyzing many biochemical reactions. All the metabolic pathways requires enzyme which will be catalyzing the reaction, helping to get the end products. Okay, so for that the enzyme has to be active, and for that the non-protein part, the cofactor or the coenzymes, will be going and binding with the enzyme, and it will make it active. Okay. Now let us go to the option. Riboflavin. Riboflavin is a water soluble vitamin, right? Water soluble vitamin. We call it as a vitamin B2 also. Okay. Now this vitamin B2 is a precursor for the synthesis of which cofactor? The cofactor flavin mononucleotide and flavin dinucleotide. Okay, we can write the short form FMN, FAD. These are the cofactors that are synthesized from the precursor, that is from the vitamin riboflavin. Okay, and it is very important. These are essential for the carbohydrate, then protein, then fat metabolism. So this flavin FMN, flavin mononucleotide and flavin dinucleotide are very, very important, but they are not coenzyme A. So this option is wrong. Riboflavin cofactor is FMN and FAD. Okay, let us go to pyridoxine. The pyridoxine, in its like the primary coenzyme form of pyridoxine, if you see, it is pyridoxal 5' phosphate. Pyridoxal 5' phosphate, or you can write it here PLP. Very important cofactor that is derived from pyridoxine, which will go and bind with 100 different enzymes that is required for many major metabolic pathways like amino acid metabolism, glycogenolysis. Okay, but here we can see the cofactor is pyridoxal 5' phosphate, not the coenzyme A. So this option is also wrong. Let us go to the third option, that is folic acid. Now, folic acid in its active form, like what is the active form? Tetrahydrofolate. Folate. It is FH4. Okay. It is very essential, tetrahydrofolate. It acts as a cofactor. Okay. It is involved with those enzymes, means it is helping those enzymes which are required for DNA and RNA synthesis. So here the cofactor is tetrahydrofolate, not coenzyme A. So this option is also wrong. So only option left is the pantothenic acid. Yes, pantothenic acid is synthesizing, or from the pantothenic acid, the cofactor that is derived is the coenzyme A. This is also very essential because coenzyme A is helping in transferring the acetyl and acyl group. Acetyl and acyl group in different metabolic pathways. If you remember a very important pathway, TCA cycle. Okay. Normally what happens in glycolysis from glucose, we get the pyruvic acid as the end product, isn't it? That will happen in the cytoplasm. But this pyruvic acid cannot go directly into the TCA cycle. The TCA cycle, where it occurs? It occurs in the mitochondria. So this pyruvic acid is actually converted into acetyl. I'm just giving an example of one where coenzyme A is important, okay, for the enzyme pyruvic dehydrogenase. Pyruvic dehydrogenase for forming acetyl CoA, and that will be entering into the TCA cycle. Okay, that happens in case of the cellular respiration, isn't it? So basically, why I am showing this to tell about the cofactor that is formed from the pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is also vitamin B5. Vitamin B5. Okay, so pantothenic acid is the vitamin from which the cofactor coenzyme is formed, which is very, very important, taking part with the enzyme in different metabolic pathways. So here the correct option is pantothenic acid. Okay, so we'll go to the next question in the next video. Thank you.